here in MSP Public School Student Council elections for the year 2024 to 25. I'm Navza Singh Rathor of class 9th, and along with my comrades will be covering this year's elections. Stay tuned. My first question would be going to our 6th standard voter who is voting for the first time. Good morning.
Good morning.
Can you tell me your name?
My name is Moksha of class 6. Excellent.
You're voting for the first time. How do you feel?
I feel so happy and excited. I'm really so nervous. I'm casting my valuable vote for first time. I'll choose the best leader for our school. Thank you.
Here we have our last year head boy, Master Girish Chandra DK. Hello, brother.
Hello.
You have been the head boy for the past 1 year and are going to be resigning in a few hours. How do you feel?
I feel sad at the same time bit relieved as the post of head boys comes with numerous responsibilities where you and your team of councils need to co-op. You need to be early for the school, late for your home, contribute your best towards the school, and I wish all the best for the new elected council members of year 2024-25.
Thank you.
Here is our Vice Principal, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
I'm Rishikaratsi of class 9 Genius. Here is my question. Ma'am, could you tell us the purpose of conducting this student council election in our school?
Our management has thought of giving you a first-hand experience of democracy. So, by electing the council members, you are getting a democratic experience because you are electing your leaders. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Here we go with the council member candidates for this year.
I'm S. Roshni from class 8 Fabulous and contesting for the post deputy head girl. I'm Tanish Reyes of class 8 Fabulous contesting for the post of cultural secretary.
I'm Yashmita Jia, studying in 8th Fabulous. I'm contesting for the post for sports secretary.
I'm Muskan, grade 9 dynamic, contesting for the post of head girl.
I'm Ikra Mariam of class 9 Dynamic contesting for the post of Cultural Secretary.
I'm Jivita of class 9 Genius contesting for the post of sports secretary.
I'm Purvikadi of grade 9 Genius, contesting for the post of deputy head girl.
My name is Chandana from class 9 Excellent, contesting for the post of Culture Secretary.
I'm Tejo of grade 9th Excellent, contesting for the post Sports Secretary.
My name is Amrita of class 8 Excellent and I'm contesting for the post of sports secretary.
I am Gaganashri from grade 9 Fabulous. I am contesting for the post of Sports Secretary.
I'm Raksha from grade 9 Fabulous. I'm contesting for the post of head girl.
I'm Afifa from grade 9 Dynamic and I'm contesting for the post of head girl.
Myself Nakshavi of grade 9 Fabulous, contesting for the post of head girl.
I'm Hemanshi of class 9 Dynamic, contesting for the post of deputy head girl.
I'm Yogita KP of grade class 9 Fabulous, contesting for the post of deputy head girl. I'm Kalpita Case of grade 8 Genius, contesting for the post of deputy head girl.
I'm Devika S from grade 8 Genius contesting for the post of cultural secretary.
Me, Maulya KV of 9 Fabulous contesting for the post of Culture Secretary.
My name is Nirbhay Yadav from 8 Genius and I'm contesting for the post of sports secretary.
My name is Chinmay Gowda B of 8th Excellent. I am contesting for the post of Cultural Secretary. I am Dhanushji of class 8 Dynamics contesting for the post of Deputy Head Boy.
My name is Adarsh Rajesh. I am from class 8 Dynamic contesting for the post of Sports Secretary.
I am Likit Gowda P, contesting for the post of Sports Secretary from class 8 Dynamic.
My name is Giones from class 8 Dynamic contesting for the post of cultural secretary.
Myself Chirag Jain of class 9 Dynamic
contesting for the post of sports secretary. Thank you.
My name is Moria. I'm studying in grade 9 Fabulous. I'm contesting for the post of deputy head boy.
My name is Satish from the class 9 genius contesting for the post of cultural secretary.
I am Neeraj Goda of class 9 Fabulous, contesting for the post of deputy head boy. Thank you.
I am Dhanush Kumar of class 9 Fabulous contesting for the post of head boy. I am Chinmay Lokesh of grade 9th Fabulous. I am contesting for the post of cultural secretary.
I am Gaganem of class 9th Excellent, contesting for the post of head boy.
I'm Gaurav from class 8 Genius. I'm contesting for the post of deputy head boy. Thank you.
Myself, DKM Jain of class 9 Dynamic, contesting for the post of head boy.
Myself Suhas JS of class 9 genius contesting for the post of head boy.
Here we have our polling officer, Mrs. Shailaja. Shubhrabhat Mahodaya.
सुप्रभात.
क्या आप मुझे बता सकती हैं कि अभी तक का मतदान प्रतिशत क्या है?
अभी तक 8वीं कक्षा के सभी बच्चों ने मतदान किया है. उसमें से 40% बच्चे संपूर्णतः से मतदान कर चुके हैं.
Here we have our returning officer, Mr. Dinakar. Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Sir, do you think our new students can be as good and responsible as they promise to be?
Of course. The reason is, if they are giving a promise, they have to be responsible. When they are responsible for their duty, and they have to maintain discipline. So whatever the promises they have given, it's according to their knowledge they have given promises for the voters. I mean students. So the voters are the students. They are going to check whatever the promises they have given, whether they are fulfilling, whether they are properly working on the promises. So everything is going to be checked. It's going to be like a supervision. They cannot give a false promises also, because it's a democracy. Once we give a promises, it's going to be checked. It is going to be observed. So they cannot escape from the promises. So it makes the people, it makes the students to be responsible and disciplined.
That's great. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Here we have Chaitra ma'am, our polling officer. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Jashwant.
Ma'am, what is the polling percentage till now?
Right now, we have completed 5 sections of our 8th 4 sections, 9th 2 sections, and still 5 more sections has to be completed. They're casting their vote. So right now, 60% of voting is completed.
As a voter, are you happy with voting system in MSV Public School?
Yeah, of course. Because here I'm studying from Montessori. Presently, I'm in 9th standard. I got this golden opportunity from 6th standard. I've never missed it and I will never miss it. Thank you.
Good morning, Afifa. Good morning. So here we have Afifa contesting for the post of head girl. Here is your question. If you are elected as a head girl, will you be able to manage both academics and be a responsible leader?
Yes, of course I can, as I have already experienced by being a leader last year, and I have proved myself by managing both my academics as well as fulfilling the duties, and I'm pretty sure that, and I'm very sure that even this year I can, and my teachers have also accepted it. So with that confidence, I have stepped into this field of election. So I can.
Is this your first voting?
No, I have voted last year when I was in 6th.
What do you feel compared to last year?
Last year I was so nervous, and this year I'm so excited to cast my vote.
Yes, thank you. Good afternoon, sister.
Pleasant afternoon.
What would you bring changes in our school if you elected as a cultural secretary?
I would try to bring upon the events for my seniors and juniors, like pottery making, musical fests, and many more. But not only for my teachers, but also not only for my juniors, but also for my dear teachers, so that they could come out of their busy schedule and enjoy their events, enjoy the cultural events, so that we could learn from them even then. Thank you.
So here we have Divik brother of class 9 Dynamic. Good afternoon, brother.
Good afternoon.
May I know why you are contesting for the post of head boy?
I am contesting for the post of head boy because I am a very responsible person and I will be a role model to everyone. And I promise that I will be working for the well-being of the school. This is the reason why I have choose the post of head boy.
Thank you, brother.
Thank you.
our Purvika D, who is contesting for Deputy Head Girl. Hi.
Hello.
What's your symbol?
Bridge.
What it symbolize?
It symbolizes that I'll be the bridge between students, teachers, as well as management, and whatever may be problems, I'll provide a path to overcome. And bridge and walls are made up of same materials, but bridge joins people, walls divide people.
Oh, that's great. Thank you.
Good afternoon, everyone. Now let us talk with Maurya, who is contesting for the post of deputy head boy. Hi, Maurya.
Hello.
What are the changes we can expect from you as a deputy head boy?
Still not yet planned about it. If I be an deputy head boy for this academic year, I try to be a good leader and bring new changes in our school. And I will solve the each and every problems regarding to the academic, sports and co-curricular activities.
Now we have our present deputy head girl. Hi, sister.
Hello.
So, as a present deputy head girl, what suggestion you'll give for future deputy head girl?
Well, there are not any much suggestions I would like to give for our future councils. The only thing I would like to say them is be disciplined by yourself so that you can say others to follow that discipline. And also there are like a much thing already implemented, very minor changes to be brought in our school. So look forward it. Thank you.
Now we have our present head girl. Hi, sister.
Hello, Mansi.
So, what are you feeling? Within few hours, you'll resign your post. What are your feeling right now?
I'm feeling very sad about it because this whole year we had cherished many memories together. Like our whole council team, we had worked together for the welfare of our school. So I'm feeling very sad about it, and I hope that our next council will also do their level best.
Okay, thank you. Here we have Naksha contesting for the post of head girl. What is the reason behind standing for this particular post, and why didn't you choose the other post?
Because I have been wishing for this post since a long time for the post of head girl, and I believed in myself that I have the capability that I can handle all of the responsibilities and duties which is assigned to the post of head girl. Hello Yashaswini.
Hi, Varsha.
You have been a council for last year. How was your experience?
It's my pleasure and honor to serve as in council from past 1 year. I hope I have given my best, and also I'm very happy that the candidates would turn into councils and take up their responsibilities. I hope the best from them. Thank you.
Here we have a voter from 10th standard. Hi, sister.
Hello.
Are you sure with your leaders that you're gonna cast your valuable vote?
Yes, I'm sure those show that they're going to win, and I believe in the leadership. They're going to be the best, believe me.
Oh, that's great. Thank you, sister. Hi, sister.
Hello.
How do you feel that it's your final year of voting?
I kind of feel sad, but I'm happy that I'm getting to vote. And all these years for whom I voted, they turned out to be very good leaders. And I hope this year shall be too. And yeah, I would ask the candidates to be more disciplined, as well as they have to balance their academics and responsibilities equally. And yeah, all the best to all the candidates. Thank you.
Thank you.
With the 55, Muskat 47, Naksha 89, and Raksha 56.